I promise I won't sue.
So don't fall.
I won't. This is 195 UA.
Anybody says anything, just let them know James Johnson's up with us.
Okay. Hey, look.
That's where all the brains of it is.
First class.
You go all the way up in there if you want. That's where all the brains is. That's where all the black boxes, everything that controls the aircraft, as far as the computer works of it.
Is a tight fit.
This is a little more than first class.
There's a bird in here.
Oh no.
Chill out, bird. I ain't gonna kill you. Yeah, this is a nose, right, we're in?
This is a little extreme here. This is the fancier. Most
Yeah.
of the time it just has, you know, the first class seat.
Well, I was in one of these just a couple months ago on the way to Korea, you know?
Oh, yeah?
It was one of the ones still in service. So it's kind of surreal to see it in this state. It's actually not as hot in here as I thought it would be.
Well, it gets really hot up here. But we do have all the instrumentation already removed.
Oh, okay, I just got like 10 degrees hotter.
It's very hot.
Whew.
Usually everybody wants to sit in the cockpit, but all the goodies are gone out of it.
I go take a look though?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Again, I really appreciate this. This is awesome. Yep, looks like everything's missing.
We have to remove all this.
Right. This one is only like 12 years old when they retired it, which is kind of young.
Yeah.
For these things last like 20, 25 years.
Yeah, a lot of it's just, you know, it's on its hours.
Exactly.
On the hours it flies.
Or I think financial decisions, you know.
Yeah. Which all these parts are coming off these United go back on the United aircraft.
Well, I always wanted to sit in the upper deck of a 747. So now I can say I've done it.
United. Yeah, that was only United the first classes up here.
Yeah.
The ANAs.
Hey, you came up. It is really hot up here. No, go up there. Just go look. Upper deck.